Okay, this is the teardrop camper on a Harbor Freight trailer, an old one. So let me show you where I'm at so far on it. So I'm missing a little bit of ceiling and a front wall. But I got a porch light. Got a little shelf where I can charge up USB powered devices. Covered up in the blue tape is left to right is a dome light, a wall switch, and USB wires. And I have them covered up because I'm spraying sealer inside and don't want anything to get on those as little as possible. I have 2 coats so far. It's looking better. I'll probably, I don't know, hopefully do a few more coats. Got almost 4 gallons left of that stuff. So there's the shelf. Let me show you in the back. This is the battery compartment and storage. So there's the battery and the controller. The controller will let a solar panel charge the battery, and it'll feed the electricity to the lights. So I'm going to put a piece of wood there. So that'll be the storage. So there's not a whole lot of storage, but you can be able to put a couple things in there. I've got some other ideas. Then I'll start working on the roof, put some insulation in it, and do a ceiling. Here's the back panel. Forgot to tape it, so I'm going to tape it so I don't put any more coats of paint on it, because I want to give the fiberglass the best chance I have to seal up all the joints. So anyways, that's a 16-inch door for access to the battery. Got a little 2-inch vent that I'm going to put in there for the battery vent, just in case. I don't even know if these new batteries need to be vented, but I'm going to vent it. So it's got 1 coat of paint on it. If you want to see more, go to YouTube and look for how Hugh builds a teardrop trailer on a Harbor Freight, or a teardrop camper on a Harbor Freight trailer. I'm still working on that. And there's some parts. Okay, out.